Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to delete Temu account permanently. So for that you must first own the application and you must have your account on Temu. I already have both, so I'm directly gonna go and tap on my Temu application. So once you tap on your Temu application, you get to this page where you'll have to go and tap on U icon that is at the bottom center. So once you go and tap on the option, you'll have to go and tap on settings option. So once you tap on settings option, you'll have to go and tap on account security that is written at the top. At the very bottom, you'll see delete your Temu account. You'll have to go and tap there. So here at the end, it says, I want to permanently delete my Temu account and all its data. You'll have to go and check on that by tapping on it. And once you've checked that, you'll have to go and tap on continue option. So once you tap on continue, it asks you if you're really sure that you want to delete your account or not. You'll have to tap on delete again, and it requires your verification before deleting it permanently. So you can either do that through your email or your password. I'll be verifying it through my password, so I'll be tapping on use password. So you'll have to enter your password, and once you're done entering your password, you'll have to tap on continue option. So once you tap there, it says that my account has been permanently deleted, and if I want to recover it, I should recover within 7 business days, and you'll have to tap on confirm. And here you can see how my account has been removed from the Temu application. So that is it for this video. That is how you delete Temu account permanently. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for joining in.